Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds Energy System Style 4 available on your iPhone? So I already installed and set up the application what Energy System offer for the earbuds. It calls it SmartConnect. And if we open the application, we can check a list with supported devices. Our model is Style 4, and if you find it at the list, meaning that this application available for this earbud. So you need to click a device and right here, check it. Okay, continue while using the app. Now, right here I already see our earbuds, and my short answer is yes, the application available for your earbuds. And if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the app, you can check videos at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!